Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're a beginner looking to start trading digital currencies, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from understanding the basics to mastering key trading strategies. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. This means they are not controlled by any central authority, making them global, borderless, and resistant to censorship. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies, also known as altcoins, have been created, each with its unique features and use cases. Before you can start trading, you'll need a place to store your cryptocurrencies. This is where a crypto wallet comes in. A crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. There are different types of wallets, including hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline and more secure. To get started, you can choose a hot wallet from reputable providers like Coinbase, Binance, or Trust Wallet. Setting up a wallet is usually straightforward. Download the app or software, create an account, and secure it with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Next, you'll need to choose an exchange platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of an exchange as a digital marketplace for crypto. When selecting an exchange, consider factors like security, fees, user interface, and the range of supported cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges like Binance and Coinbase offer user-friendly interfaces, making them ideal for beginners. After selecting an exchange, you'll need to link it to your wallet, and you're ready to start trading. Now, let's talk about how to read the market and make informed trading decisions. Understanding market trends is crucial. Look at historical price data to identify patterns. This is where candlestick charts come in handy. They provide detailed information about price movements over specific periods. Technical analysis tools like moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence, can help you identify trends and potential entry and exit points. For beginners, start with simple analysis like identifying support and resistance levels. Risk management is key to successful trading. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. A stop-loss order automatically sells your assets if the price drops to a certain level, protecting your investment. Let's break down the types of orders you can place. Market order. Executes immediately at the current market price. Limit order. Executes only when the asset hits a price you've specified. Stop-loss order. Executes a sale when the price falls to a predetermined level. Using these orders effectively can help you manage your trades and reduce risks. The cryptocurrency market moves fast, and staying updated is crucial. Follow trusted news sources, join crypto communities, and stay connected on social media to catch the latest trends and developments. Beginners often fall prey to scams like phishing attacks, fake ICOs, initial coin offerings, and Ponzi schemes. Always verify information from multiple sources, and never share your wallet's private keys with anyone. Start small to build your confidence and experience. Focus on learning the ropes without risking too much capital. As you gain more knowledge and understanding of the market, you can gradually increase your trading activity.